You can't replace your children. You can't replace somebody that you love.
Smiling and walking, so much more than Jaxon Taylor's mum and dad ever hoped was possible.
It is. It is a miracle.
2 weeks ago today, the 16-month-old and his 9-year-old sister Shane were travelling in a car with their mother when they smashed head-on into a Ford Falcon driven by an 18-year-old man in northern New South Wales.
I think we were doing about 110 at the time.
Riley says the airbags saved her. Shane received abdominal injuries, but her little brother's condition was much worse.
The second I pulled him out, I knew that his neck was broken.
Jaxon was airlifted to Brisbane and put in the care of the man known as Australia's godfather of spinal surgery.
A lot of children wouldn't survive that injury in the first place. And if they did and they were resuscitated, they may never move or breathe again.
X-rays revealed the force of the crash had pulled Jaxon's head and neck apart. It was the worst injury of its kind Dr. Askin had seen, yet still there was hope.
How the spinal cord has managed to go around that corner and survive is a miracle, really.
During the 6-hour operation, the surgical team first had to attach the halo to Jaxon's skull. They then had to hold him completely still while the surgeon painstakingly reattached his vertebrae using a tiny piece of wire. He then took a piece of Jaxon's rib to graft the two vertebrae back together.
He said that he's never seen an operation like that before.
Doctors say Jaxon will go home any day now with his halo device holding everything in place for another 8 weeks.
They've taken 2 broken kids and put them all back together, so we're very, very thankful.
A medical marvel giving this family the gift of a bright future.
It doesn't get much better than that, really.
Katrina Blowers, 7 News.